Welcome back to my channel. Some of y'all probably like. Today I will be making banana pudding. I made this on my channel before. I made the ice cream previously. Okay, I just made it probably like not too long ago, but I also made it a few years ago, probably like close to the time when I first made my channel, not too long after that. The reason why I'm making it again this time, I'll talk about it a little later. You feel me? When I get to it, the Lord's will. But yeah, this time I'm gonna be using some ricotta cheese, and I know y'all like, okay, ricotta cheese. Now I'm the type of person, like, I'm gonna take something that's nasty that a lot of people don't like, or I don't like, and vamp it up and make it taste good. That's the reason why I chose ricotta cheese, because in a lot of people I don't really too much see using ricotta cheese inside their banana pudding. Right now, I'm gonna be using some vanilla extract. I have my bananas. I know some people don't like bananas. I don't have a problem with that. But if you don't like bananas, you can puree it. I thought about pureeing it for some of it. For the other ones, I'm keeping whole. But if you want to, you can just make it pureed and put it inside. If you don't want it at all, I guess you can use like the banana extract, but try to puree it. What's the difference with that? There's also some confectioner sugar inside of here. It's some sweet condensed milk I had left over. I'm going to use the rest of this. I'm going to be using some of my sweet and creamy creamer, whole milk. I have 2 cookies, my Nilla wafers, Nilla pudding. I also have some more cookies, country vanilla cookies. And this right here is some white chocolate that I melted. I double boiled it to melt it. I think you pretty much put it in the microwave by increments and like stir it up and it'll melt like that. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. I'm about to get started. Okay, inside a pot, pan, bowl, whatever you want to use, I'm gonna take my vanilla pudding and put it in here. This is actually a cup. If you can't find the big pack of the pudding, I think you can probably use 2 small ones, but it equals to a cup. Now it calls for 3 cups of milk. I'm gonna be using 2 cups of milk and then 1 cup of the creamer. This is 1 cup of milk, 2 cups of milk, and this is 1 cup of the creamer. I'm gonna take this and just mix it up. Okay, now I decided the puree banana, I'm gonna put it in with the vanilla pudding because it's also yellow. I don't know if you see me pour it in there. I pour the banana puree that I had pureed, and I'm just pour it in here, and I'm just gonna mix it. Just want to taste it. It was so good. Oh my goodness, it's good. But I still need that little, that I do to it. So I'm just gonna put this in the refrigerator and just let it set while I finish the rest. And now in another pan, bowl, what you want to call it, I'm gonna take my ricotta cheese and pour everything in there. 32 ounces. I'm gonna taste a little bit because I want to see how I taste a little bit like the lasagna and stuff, but kind of like forgot how it tastes. Yeah. But this is my expertise, making something nasty taste good. I have my powdered sugar. I think this is like a cup. I'm just gonna pour all of this in here. Okay, now I'm gonna take my leftover condensed milk and pour it in there. It's like probably like half a cup. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of my vanilla extract and just pour it in there. Let's put you some in there, fruit dashes. 1, 2. Now I'm gonna take my white chocolate, like I told you, this is 2 cups, and pour that inside as well. I'm gonna take this and mix it. Okay, I mixed it all together, but I do need some salt to balance it off. That's what I forgot to take out. It ain't never too late. So let's put like a pinch of salt in it. Just mix that. Just want to taste it again real quick. You do taste the ricotta, but would it balance out with the sweetness and everything I added to it? It's good. I know some of y'all probably like, it's a little too runny. Just chill out. Just wait a minute. Firm up a little bit. Okay, now I'm going to take my pudding and go ahead and pour.
A few moments later.
Let's get ready to rumble. No, to assemble. Let's get ready to assemble, y'all. We're just going to take a little bit and put it at the bottom. I know a lot of people use see-through. If I had it, I would use it, but I don't have it. So hey, and I didn't use it for the other one. So why I gotta use one now? If it's good, it's still gonna be good, regardless if you see it or not. I'm gonna take my big cookies. I'm gonna let it whole, or you could crush it. I'm gonna probably crush it, not like small, but like chunks. I still want to taste it. I'm gonna take my banana. I'm not even finna cut it, y'all. I can't really see it, so hey, I'm just gonna tear it apart with my hand. If you wanna be fancy and everything, use a knife. Oh, it's somebody else eating this, but you know you don't wanna put your hands on it if you're not eating it. I'm eating it, so it is what it is. This is only one banana I'm gonna use for right now. Like I said, if you don't like banana, you can just skip the step, except for I will tell you use the parade part though. Put some more of this filling on here. The wafers smell so good. I'm just gonna put that on top of it. You don't have to put it in no fancy order. It's not a see-through glass, so you don't gotta do all that. But if you're using a see-through glass and you want yours to look fancy, then go ahead. Who am I to stop you? I got the big cookie, and I'm just gonna crumble it. I'm gonna take my last banana and just go ahead and also chop it on there. Alright, I'm gonna take my last bit of my filling and just go ahead and put that on there. Alright, so I'm gonna take this and just try to cover up these cookies. Just put a little piece of parchment, and I'm gonna put some aluminum foil and just put it in the refrigerator. Okay, this been a couple hours. I had this in the refrigerator to set, so I'm gonna take the aluminum foil and parchment off. It's okay if it got a little messed up. You know, it don't look all pretty. Like I said in the other video, if you eat with your eyes, close your eyes then. if it don't look appealing to you, close your eyes. I mean, I'm like, okay. Hey, I already got one up. Actually, yeah. Put it on top of this. It's not in it. How'd you know? I don't know if you can tell what this is. If you can't, it's a bee. Okay. What it look like? BP? No, not blood pressure. Banana pudding. Smart, ain't it? Yes, y'all. But wait, there's more. I ain't done. Take some of this the light one. Whipped cream. I'm gonna try to like put some designs on the old one I used, like fold it in with the pudding. I'm not doing it this time. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. You was doing say, girl. Okay, I want to know if I want to do something else, but I won't ever do it. When I tell you this is like full Picasso, because to me, well, it looks so good, and I know it's gonna taste so good. Yes, I got that BP for you. Yes, y'all. I'm about to get into it, y'all. I first actually making it with the ricotta cheese. I wanted to use the stick to my cream cheese, cream cheese, but I'll let you know why I switched it up a little bit in a minute. Lord's will. It's good. Oh my goodness, so good, just like my cream cheese one. And thank God I put the salt in there. It balances out the sweetness, so it's not overly sweet. This is so good. Now the only thing about it, I don't have a problem with it, but I don't know if somebody else would. I'm pretty sure like when you make lasagna and you use the ricotta, those who use it, you see like this little graininess of the ricotta. That's a little bit of the graininess. You can taste it and you can see it, but it's not bad at all. It don't take away from it at all. Now, like I said, I don't know, some people might have an issue with that. I don't know, but I don't have an issue at all. It don't take away from it at all. I think that ricotta, it tastes like I got cream cheese in it. Like when I have the cream cheese in it. And then also too, some of the white chocolate did get a little harder. I forgot with white chocolate, it hardens. Some of it is get a little bit hard. You can taste it inside of the mixture, mixed with the sweet condensed milk and the powdered sugar. And then the bananas, this is good. It's still 10 in my butt. 10 all day, baby. Oh yeah, I forgot to put the creamer in there too. Now, the reason why I wanted to switch it up, I didn't want to put the recipe on the channel when I first started, because I'm like, dang, out of all the banana puddings I seen, like, this is really good, and I don't know if I want people to, you know, get this, but I still did it. So I was like looking and see if somebody else had it. You know, I did see somebody that had like the exact same technique and ingredients. So I'm like, okay. And then they also posted it like before me. So I'm like, okay, I knew they didn't copy. So I'm like, okay, well, I hope they don't think I'm copying, because yeah. But I put it up there. Now, fast forward 2 years later, to recently, I'm seeing a lot of people do the exact same recipe, same technique and everything. I'm like, and it's mainly people that's got a big platform. So I guess a lot of them thinking like, oh, we'll just take from the smaller platform, because, you know, nobody won't notice. I still notice. You feel me? Now I don't know if they got, you know, for the other person or for me, but I'm like, or maybe it's just a coincidence. I don't know, because like I said, me and them had the same thing. I'm like, okay, they thinking like me right now with this recipe. So I was like, my thing is, I'm used to like taking like nasty stuff and revamping it. So I'm like, I'm gonna do this recipe again, but with an ingredient that I know a lot of people don't use for the banana pudding. I was like, how about ricotta and put a little different things? So therefore, if I know somebody else that come out with this, it's like, yeah, I know you got this from. Now I don't mind, because a lot of people take different things, and I'm inspired by other people's stuff too. But give credit where credit's due. Be like, oh, this person that inspired me to make this, and I'm making this because of, you know, them or whatever like that. But some people don't do that. They were out like this day recipe they came up with. I put all the stuff I put in there. Yeah, ain't nobody got nothing like that. No, I don't think they do. We'll see, but yeah, this is good, y'all. This is worth trying. This is worth making. And it's so simple. And the cookies, you can never go wrong with 2 types of cookies. Then the wafers, vanilla wafers. A lot of people use different like type of cookies, but for like the banana pudding, it gotta have bananas, which I don't have amount of bananas, but like I said, if you don't like it, you can puree it. Also, you gotta have vanilla wafers. If you want other cookies, which you know you see me do, that's okay, but you gotta have vanillas. Ain't nothing but them nuts. So yeah, that's about it, y'all. Make sure you like, share, subscribe to my channel. And like I told you, turn on day, baby. Y'all have a blessed day. To let you see how it's set more. This is like about 2 days later. It probably was set the day after, but I didn't really check. So to just now. Yes, it got that hole. Oh, it's too soupy. You just saw that.